and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another 5-minute craft. So for that you need scissors, fevicol, a wooden clip, a butterfly wing template. If you don't have it, you can cut this out and make sure it's a hard material like cardstock. And googly eyes, a pipe cleaner, a paintbrush and paint. The pipe cleaner can be any color. So first you need to start by painting the clip and the butterfly's wing. So first I'm going to make a mustard color. So for that you need yellow and a very little amount of red. Then you get the mustardy color, what is perfect for the butterfly's body. You can color whichever color you want. So see, after this has been made, I'm going to paint this. Look at this, it's a beautiful mustard color. I'm going to paint this on the wooden clip. So take a wooden clip, guys, because the wooden clip, we can paint the wooden clip super easily. And when it's a plastic clip, it is very hard to paint. It keeps speckling and it's not easy. So a wooden clip is better. I prefer a wooden clip. So now we are going to paint. If your paint is not opaque, you can put 2-3 coats. But mine needed 2 coats to get full opacity. Now I'm painting the wings light blue. You can choose whichever color for the wings. You can make whichever pattern on the wing. You can leave them a solid color as well, or draw some patterns like I am going to. Like this. This material was incredibly hard to cover. So this took 4 coats of paint to cover. So guys, and be sure you're using a hard paper, and if you're using a like A4 sheet paper, then it might tear. So I drew a pattern on this, and if you don't want to color a wooden clip, or if you don't have a wooden clip, then you can use a plastic clip or an already colored clip like this. And then after that, I'm going to color these with markers. First I tried markers, but they're chipping the paint off from the bottom. So then I used paint. So this is a very easy craft that you already have all these supplies at home. So try it. And you can make any designs on your wings. I think these are really beautiful, but you can make any. So guys, you can make any pattern and color it however you want. And please send a picture of it if you made it. And you can choose whichever pipe cleaner. The golden one looks beautiful. So see, the markers want that opaque. So I'm going to use some paint with a really thin paintbrush. And you can use markers as well instead of paint. But paint is more opaque than markers. But you can do markers as well. They are easier than paint. On this small of a surface, you can use markers or paint. It's your choice. Don't use watercolors because watercolors are watery and they might spread and ruin your design. So don't use watercolors. use acrylic paint or gouache. Or you can try crayons on this. The crayons will look strokey and it won't be that opaque, but they will still work. Now for this pattern, now I'm using this pink color for the inner part of the wings. Then the patterns, I'm going to turn it into yellow. And you don't have to paint the middle of it because we are going to put that clip on there. And guys, if you don't have googly eyes, you can draw on eyes with a marker. And if you have googly eyes, then be sure you use Fevicol to glue the googly eyes, or else it would not stick properly. If you use Fevistick, it will keep falling. And if you use hot glue, it will stick permanently and never come out. But Fevicol is the best. Now I'm painting all the patterns in yellow. You can choose whichever colors you want. You can do whichever design you want. You can make your butterfly unique or normal. You can even do a rainbow butterfly if you want. And now, after this has been painted, I'm going to add another coat because yellow is not that opaque. So after that, I made some pink dots in it. And now now we need the pipe cleaner, glue, googly eyes, scissors and the clip. So first you have to fold the pipe cleaner in half, cut it. Then you need to fold one part of the pipe cleaner, and then you need to fold the edges. This is for the antennas. It's a pipe cleaner, so it bends, so it will bend. So like this you have to make one. And now you need to take the clip. You need to clip it onto your butterfly like this. Now you need to also clip this into the clip like this. And you can also use glue to stick that, but this is way more easier. Now it's time for the final step, what is to glue the googly eyes on. So now we are going to glue the googly eyes on, or you can also draw them. Draw the eyes if you don't have googly eyes. And googly eyes, eyeballs move wherever you point the butterfly. So it's very cute and funny. So now let this dry, and this is the final results, guys. I hope you like it. Look at the antennas. You can choose whichever color you want. And look how cute this looks. Wherever you angle it, its eyeballs move. What's really cute? And see the wings there. You can make the wings unique. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. See you all next time. Bye. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell as well.